Okay, so here we have a difference between parameters and statistics. This is really important because moving into the second half of this course, everything starts to become about statistics and how they estimate a parameter. So unless you know the difference between the two, it's hard to really comprehend some of those higher concepts later in the course. So here we have Maya publishing a blog on bird watching, and she conducts a poll of 500 of her subscribers. So she probably has more than that if she's got 500 in this poll. And we later find out that she does have 11,000 and some subscribers. So this poll is just a sample, just a small glimpse of her subscribers. And 67% of those 500 like at least one blog. We know that of those 500, the average is 2.2 comments per blog. And 137 have liked all her blogs. And later we find out her website already has this information, which a lot of them do now. According to the website, she has a total of 11,763 subscribers, 79%. So the true average is actually a little higher than among the 500 that she polled. And those of the full 11,000 plus subscribers, they've posted an average of 3.4 comments, and 3,075 of those have liked all her blogs. All right. So what's the population? What's the sample? So the population is all the subscribers. The population is these 11,763. It's everyone who would have subscribed to her blog. The sample is just the 500 that she conducted this poll among. And then we need to look at parameter or statistic. Now, little hint here, or little trick, memory trick. Parameter begins with P, and so does population. So parameters are about population. And then statistic begins with S, and so does sample. Statistics are any number that describes the sample. So here we have 79% of all the subscribers. We're talking about the population. We're talking about these 11,000. And so that would be a parameter, population parameter. And also another little thing, it's not really showing up here. Parameters are typically represented by a Greek letter, whereas statistics have more the ABCs that we're used to. The average 2.2 comments, which is right here. Notice that that's referring to these 500, and they even tell you that's referring to the 500. That 500 is a sample, and so we would put that as a statistic. That would have been a statistic, not a parameter. And then the 3,075 who like all our blogs, well, that's referring here to this information on all 11,763. That's referring to the population, meaning that it's a parameter there. So that one, because it's referring to the entire. Now, you might say, well, wait, the 3,075 aren't all of the subscribers. No, but this is a data point that's coming from the entire population, not coming from that isolated sample. These 137, that would be the sample statistic related to what portion like all of her blogs. The 3,075 would be the parameter because it's looking at the entire population.